Hi guys and welcome on my channel. In this episode I will be working on my new project and it will be Volvo XC60. So let's start with the repair. Small damage. Nice car. No tak jest. Okidoki. So as you can see, the company unloading the car right now. At this moment I am driving to my friend body shop because I need to go to the Volvo dealership because the car won't start. Some kind of accident errors, and that's why the car won't start. Usually with Volvo happen that kind of things. Whew. I'm in the car right now. I am a little bit tired right now because I helped them push a few cars. Okay, so I will load the car. I think I will drive back with the... I forgot this name of this car. I will drive back to the Volvo and he will lift it with loader and I will drive back. See? Hey guys, the car is loaded, so tomorrow I will be going to the dealership. I will show you the damage once again. I think it will be a quick fix. Almost no damage here, you see? So I am very happy. First time in this year I am so happy. Hi guys, it's 6 on the morning. As you can see, I just wake up. I had a few minutes to leave my place and I am driving to Volvo dealership. I have almost 2 hours of way. So the car is loaded. I have to mount the battery. I am starting feeling better now. Because just a moment I was sleepy and now I will connect the battery. Okay, here's the battery. Oh yes. Okay, the battery is in. Everything is secured. Now it is time to go. Woo. And away we go! The silence that makes me drown. My head is not a good place to be. The past keeps following me, 'cause you're a dark passenger. I cannot let you take control of me, 'cause you're a dark passenger. Nice weather. So, hi guys. I am in the dealership right now. This is the new place. Last time when I was fixing Volvo XC60, I was in different place, and this is the new location, new building. Wow, crazy, crazy, crazy. New building, and now I have to wait because I am a little bit earlier, and I will go to the reception and they told me where to drive, you know, because like I said before, I am first time here. This place is awesome. I like this place very much. Big building. So I am inside now. I think they should connect the computer and hope the car will start, or they do something with this car.
You are the poison that makes me numb, and you're destroying all of the things that I love. My head is not a good place to be. The past keeps following me, 'cause you're a dark passenger.
I am too old for this.
Will you take